Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go.
Before is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We're following the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's the only? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out.
Secure all loose items. Pull down on the lap bar when the automatic gates open. Step into the Star Jumper vehicle and secure all loose items. Pull down on the lap bar and push up when instructed to do so. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the Star Jumper at all times.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Yeah. Well,
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, you're likely doomed.
Rex!
good luck. You're gonna need it.
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
We got the generator. We're ready.
I will destroy you.
We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Hey, let me try this. I hate milk. Well, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, link your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long.
Our world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
Locking coordinates for Epcot.
It's Epcot.
That is not a word.
Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
Quería que nos tocara eso.
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh, wow.
Welcome back to Epcot. Please gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper. The Nova Corps thanks you for your service.
Está increíble, increíble, increíble.